TCL 98A400 Pro NXTVISION TV Review 2026. Masterpiece design meets premium performance. The TCL 98A400 Pro NXTVISION TV is one of the most stylish and feature-packed large-screen televisions introduced for 2026, combining art-inspired aesthetics. With advanced display technology, this premium 98-inch model is designed for users who want a television that looks like elegant home decor, while also delivering flagship-level picture and gaming performance. With a slim frame-inspired design, QD Mini LED technology, matte anti-glare screen, ONKYO audio, and Google TV smart features, the TCL A400 Pro stands out as more than just a TV becomes the centerpiece of any room. Elegant frame-inspired design. One of the first things that makes the TCL 98A400 Pro special is its artistic appearance. TCL designed this television to resemble framed wall art rather than a traditional bulky TV. The ultra-slim 39.9mm profile allows it to sit close to the wall, creating a clean and modern look. The TV features a one-piece bezel with a light walnut wood grain finish, adding warmth and sophistication to modern or classic interiors. Since the frame is integrated, there is no need for separate decorative bezels or additional accessories. For users who prefer flexibility, TCL offers 3 placement options: flush wall mounting tabletop stand, optional mobile floor stand. The mobile stand turns the TV into movable digital art, allowing you to roll it between rooms. Built for flush wall mounting, unlike many premium TVs that require external connection boxes or complicated wall setups, the TCL A400 Pro uses a seamless integrated design. It mounts like regular wall art, with no clutter and no visible external hardware. TCL also includes a halo thermal design, using high thermal conductivity materials and optimized airflow channels. This helps dissipate heat efficiently even when the TV is mounted close to the wall, ensuring long-term stable performance. Art collection and lifestyle features. The TCL A400 Pro is more than a television. It can transform into a personal gallery. Included art collection. Users get access to around 80 curated high-resolution artworks without any subscription fees. Categories include classic paintings, impressionism, contemporary art, abstract, geometry, decorative art, expressive ink. AI digital art for personalization. The TV also offers over 100,000 AI-generated artworks. You can choose a style, theme, and mood, allowing the screen to instantly match your room decor or personality. Personal moments. Display, upload photos directly from your phone and create. Digital photo walls, ambient displays, stylish clocks, family memory galleries. This makes the TCL A400 Pro ideal for users who want the TV visible even when not watching content. QD Mini LED picture technology. At the heart of the TCL 98A400 Pro is QD Mini LED display technology, combining mini LED backlighting with quantum dot color enhancement. This results in superior contrast, brighter highlights, and more vivid color reproduction. Precise dimming zones. The TV supports up to 448 local dimming zones, allowing independent control of different screen areas. This improves black levels, enhances HDR highlights, and reduces blooming around bright objects. Matte HVA panel. The 98-inch screen uses an HVA panel with matte nanocrystal anti-glare coating. Reflections are softened, making the TV ideal for bright rooms with windows or daytime viewing. Wide color gamut. With 93% DCI-P3 color coverage, the TCL A400 Pro can reproduce a wide range of cinematic colors. Movies, sports, artwork, and gaming visuals all look rich and realistic. Stunning 4K resolution. The TCL 98A400 Pro features 3840 by 2164 QHD resolution, delivering incredible detail across its massive 98-inch screen. At this size, 4K resolution is especially important, ensuring sharpness whether you are watching movies, sports, or gaming. The TV supports major HDR formats including Dolby Vision HDR 10 Plus HLG. With typical brightness rated at 400 nits, HDR content gains improved highlights and better depth. TSR AI-PQ processor. Powering the visual experience is TCL's TSR APQ processor, an AI-based picture engine that analyzes scenes in real time. It optimizes contrast, color balance, motion clarity, sharpness, depth perception. This ensures all content looks smoother, clearer, and more lifelike. Excellent for gaming. Gamers will appreciate the TCL A400 Pro's advanced gaming features. 144 Hz native refresh rate. The TV includes a true 144 Hz panel, ideal for fast-paced gaming and sports. Variable refresh rate it supports. VR are 48 Hz to 288 Hz DLG 288. HD mode AMD FreeSync. These features reduce tearing and stuttering for smoother gameplay. HDMI 2.1 connectivity. With HDMI 2.1 support, users can connect modern gaming consoles such as PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, or gaming PCs for high refresh rate 4K gameplay. ONKYO 2.0 Hi-Fi audio. Sound quality is handled by an ONKYO 2.0 channel Hi-Fi system with side-firing speakers. Audio highlights: 2x10 West speaker output, Dolby Atmos support, clear vocals, wide soundstage, enhanced movie immersion. Even when wall-mounted, the side-firing design helps maintain spacious audio performance. Smart TV features the TCL 98A400 Pro. Runs Google TV, giving users access to a modern and intuitive smart TV platform. Features include Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, voice search via Google Assistant, personalized recommendations, app downloads from Google Play. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, Miracast, wireless display, HDMI, EARC, ARC HDMI, CEC. Dimensions and weight. For buyers considering installation, here are the official dimensions. With stand, 2,190 by 1290 by 420. Without stand, 2,190 by 1,250 by 44.5 millimeters. Weight, 53.7 kilograms. With stand, 52.7 kilograms. Without stand, this is a large premium TV, so professional installation is highly recommended. Who should buy the TCL 98A400 Pro? This TV is ideal for home theater enthusiasts, luxury living room setups, gamers wanting huge screen performance, users wanting art-style decor, TVs, families seeking premium entertainment. Final verdict: the TCL 98A400 Pro NXTVISION TV successfully blends elegant design with serious performance. Its frame-inspired styling, matte anti-glare display, QD mini LED technology, 144 Hz gaming support, ONKYO sound, and art gallery functions make it one of the most exciting lifestyle TVs of 2026. If you want a massive 98-inch television that doubles as premium wall art while still delivering strong gaming and cinematic performance, the TCL A400 Pro is a compelling flagship option from TCL.